morning everyone. Today we the students of class 8th are here to perform an activity on Indian states and capitals.
The state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, situated in the southern part of India, is the fifth largest state and was formed on 1st November 1956. Andhra Pradesh is famous for its Hyderabadi biryani and the famous dance of Hyderabadi Kuchipudi, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati.
Assam. It is known for Assam silk and Assam tea, and the capital of Assam is Dispur.
Arunachal Pradesh. Over 80% of this state is covered by the Amazon forest. It has 5 major rivers: Kamang, Subansiri, Lohit, Siang, and Priya. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Bihar.
The state is Bihar and it is located in eastern India. The famous thing of Bihar is musicians and the capital of Bihar is Patna.
Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the fastest developing state in India. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur and it is famous for waterfalls. Gujarat is known as the home of Mahatma Gandhi, and Gujarat is famous for its historical capitals, and the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The state is Goa, which is famous for adventure water sports, and the capital of Goa is Panji.
The state is Himachal Pradesh, which is known as Land of God. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla.
Haryana is well known for its folk music, dance, and different kinds of embroidery. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh.
Jharkhand is famous for its rich mineral deposits like mica, bauxite, etc. During Mughal period, Jharkhand is also known as Uttara. Sarna Devi is the goddess of Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi.
Karnataka. It is the largest exporter of coffee in the country. Karnataka is primarily known for its heritage destinations, etc. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore.
Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country or land of coconut trees. Kerala is famous for spices, and the capital city of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Its official language is Malayalam.
Meghalaya. Meghalaya is famous for high heels and natural beauty. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Manipur. It is one of the largest bamboo producing states in India. Manipur's capital is Imphal.
Mizoram. Mizoram is famous for evergreen hills and desert agriculture. The capital of Mizoram is Aizwal.
The state is Nagaland. Nagaland is also known as Land of Festival. Christianity is the most popular religion in Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima.
Odisha. Odisha is famous for Indian architecture and art, like stone carving and wood carving. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar.
Punjab being the land of 5 rivers, it is famous for its culture, agriculture, etc. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh.
Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state in the northwestern side of India. Rajasthan is famous for their forts like Amer Fort at Jaipur, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. The state is Sikkim, which is second smallest state among Indian states. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Tripura. Tripura is famous for crops of rubber and tea. The state is also known for its handicraft and products, etc. The capital of Tripura is Agartala.
Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a state located on the south. Tamil Nadu is famous for culture, heritage, music, Bharatanatyam dance, etc. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai.
The state is Telangana, with serene lakes, verdant wood, rocky regions, abundant wildlife. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Uttarakhand is a state in northern India across by Himalayas. Uttarakhand is famous for Jim Corbett National Park. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun.
Uttar Pradesh is famous for one of the scattered Hinduism and Ayodhya. This is because Lord Rama was born. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow.
West Bengal. It is the fourth most populous state in India. It has the largest banyan tree, and the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata.